Hey guys, I just received a copy of this book here in the mail from Olly Richards. It's short stories in Russian for beginners, or for high beginner to low intermediate language learners to be exact. This is excuse me. This is part of his original series. It's been around for a while now, but he recently announced just a couple of days ago that he's now collaborating with these guys here, Teach Yourself. So this is part of their inventory now, and from what I understand, there have been some enhancements made, some changes. Stories are the same, but there have been some improvements made to the series, and the addition of short stories in English. So there's another book in the series. He just you'll see this month that there are a few people putting out videos in this book, in this language and other languages, just kind of sharing and reading an excerpt. This is about promoting reading, and so Olly just asked me to read an excerpt from one of the chapters here, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to attempt to do that. Okay, so this is I think this is from the second story in the book. Chapter 2 from second story in the book, actually. Okay. Ты видела Света? Да, что это было? Не знаю, но это было огромное страшное создание. Что нам теперь делать, Гриша? Пошли за ним. Думаешь, мы его догоним? Конечно. Григорий и Светлана вышли из старого деревянного дома и пошли по следам, который оставило за собой в лесу странное чудовище. Здесь много деревьев. Чудовище могло пойти куда угодно, сказал Григорий. Нам нужно разделиться. Ты с ума сошел, Гриша? Разделиться? Тут по лесу ходить неизвестное страшное чудовище. Я понимаю, Света, но если нам удастся заснять его на видео, нас покажут в новостях. Ну и что? Мне хочется появиться в новостях. Каким же глупым ты бываешь иногда, Гриша. Лучше останемся вместе. 2 часа спустя Светлана и Григорий все еще ходили по лесу в поисках чудовища. Они не встретили ни одной живой души. Светлана больше не верила, что она настоящий. Может быть, им только показалось, что они увидели чудовище. Однако Григорий сказал, что он вполне верит своим глазам. Это было настоящее чудовище. Света, а может быть, это какой-то редкий вид животного, который живет в этих лесах и никогда не показывается человеку. Обязательно надо продолжить поиски. Yeah, so as you can see, my Russian literacy skills aren't so great, which is good. That's exactly what this book is for, right? To help improve reading. As I've said before, you know, I never spent a whole lot of time on literacy when I learned Russian rather. So I mean, this is actually come at a good time for me. One thing I do want to highlight is that, I don't know if you can see this, if I zoom in, there we go. You can see that the stress on the vowels is bolded. I think this is one of the coolest things about this book. Even just reading that text then, you know, there are some words that I kind of, you know, I would be unsure of where the stress lies. So I find this to be one of the coolest features of this book, and definitely helpful. I'm not sure about the other languages, but for Russian that's hugely beneficial. So if you've got any questions, you can head over to the to iwillteachyourlanguage.com. Fire off questions at Olly. I'm sure he'd be very happy to answer. I'll also put a link in the description box for there's a schedule of other readings that you can watch for the other books in the series. And yeah, I mean, if you've used this book before, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'm sure Olly would love to hear your thoughts as well. Thanks, guys.